Hi, Gazi.
Yes, what's up?
How are you?
Uh,
Let me pause the cartoon.
it's okay. I'm very glad for today because it's been a while. I haven't been on the Bigo. It's the first time that I have found an American.
Oh, well, I wonder how that happened. Because it likes to send you people in your area, right?
All right, but how long have you been on this app?
I joined in 2014, like when it was new, and it was like the wild, wild west. It was dirty, and I joined so that I could like overcome anxiety, but like it gave me more anxiety because people were like, "Oh, you gotta take your top off" and all kinds of stuff. So I quit. But I just like hid the app from myself, and I just didn't open it back up until this year. Because then I have a friend who's on here, and I was like, "Oh, I know that app," so I just opened it up.
Also, you were recommended to use this application by that friend, right? Okay. Have you found any interest in this application?
Yeah, I like it now because like you have the ability to block and kick out creepy people,
Exactly.
and people are a lot nicer, you know, and if you don't like what they're asking, you can just block them.
Yeah.
So we didn't have that years ago.
And I'm using this application in order to learn English, like having conversation.
Your English is really good.
Oh, really? Do you think that?
Yeah. I understand you completely, and your sentences are concise to the point. Like,
Yeah. Exactly.
yeah, you make sense.
Thank you so much. And that is one of my biggest challenge to myself because I have to understand the proper English very precisely, and that's why I would like to speak with a native English speaker.
Listening to people online on Bigo, on TikTok, on YouTube, all that, like, that's the best way to pick up like local lingo. And I feel like this is the first time in history when like a word, like a trendy word, could be used here in California where I am, and then also where you are. Just like, you know, like universal. Years before social media, like those words were just, you know, for your area, you know. But now, the way English is, like it's gonna become more universal.
Exactly. I see you guys are using the official language, like you have a slang language. Though I want to be really accustomed with this kind of stuff as well.
Yeah, I think this is also like PK, like just talking to practice your English. This is like a super cool way to just do that. Like how like the only other option would be to like type lyrics or not type lyrics, type comments. You know, just type in comments.
Yeah, I know. You know, I had to do a lot of battle to learn English, like reading articles and really commenting. If I found any article through my Facebook or somewhere, I definitely read all of the context, and whatever I understand reading of this article, I try to give a really relevant comment.
How are you doing with writing? Have you tried writing?
Yes, I had a lot of writing. I do also still whatever I see through my Facebook, okay? So I don't miss out to give any comment because it helps a lot.
Yeah, it does. Also, if you can stand it, watching kids shows really helps.
Look,
because that's how kids over here learn English.
exactly. But I do watch the English blog, and I was very cordially, very carefully. Every single words I try to follow. If I don't know any words, so I try to jot down on my notepad, right here. And
Yes.
after watching, I try to keep practicing alone, making the sentence with those unknown words.
That's so smart. You have so much gumption. Do you know the word gumption?
No, please let me know.
It's
This is a new
word.
word.
Gumption is like you are going for it. So you're going for it. So gumption is, I believe, GUM.
Hold on. Please start once again.
Yeah. Gumption. Yeah. So it means that you're a go-getter and you have drive to go get something that you want.
Yeah, thank you. I don't know how to really welcome you because this is the first time that we are having conversation on the PK for you. So, and you haven't done before this.
I haven't done a PK before this, so I was always worried that I would have to like sing or do trivia or something. I'll do that eventually. But yeah, this was nice.
Exactly.
First PK.
Exactly. Thank you so much. I'm very happy. And now I will let you go. But before going, sometimes you would find a baffled people through this application. So they might show you some irrelevant things. This is really awkward, and you can really kick them out by using the new innovative tools. However, I thought I might not have a personality to speak with you, but you have really given the personality. I'm very glad and very happy for today.
It was a nice conversation. Thank you so much, Gazi.